Section 34 is about associations, which are kind of a generalization of lists, except that elements in an association are selected using keys rather than part numbers. To describe how associations work, this shows the counts function returning an association that gives how many times each distinct element occurs in a list. The counts function is one of several functions that gives an association as the result. An association displays as a less than character and a vertical bar at the start, followed by the things in the association, which display as rules, followed by a vertical bar and a greater than character at the end. Within the association, the left side of each rule is called a key, and the right side of each rule is the value associated with that key. The value associated with a key can be picked out by putting the key in square brackets after the association. For example, starting with the association returned by the counts function, this picks out the value associated with C, which is one of the keys in this association. Operations like arithmetic and mapping that work on lists typically also work on associations, but apply only to the values in an association and not to the keys. For example, this shows adding 500 to each element in a list, and this shows a corresponding operation on an association adding 500 to each value in the association without affecting the keys. For another example, this shows /at used to map a function f over the elements of a list, and this shows a corresponding operation on an association where a function f is mapped over the values in the association. Many other operations that work for lists also work for associations. For example, this uses the total function to add up all of the values in an association. This uses the sort function to sort the elements in an association based on value. There is a separate function called key sort that sorts an association by key rather than by value. For example, this shows key sort used to sort the key value pairs in an association so that the keys are in alphabetical order. The functions keys and values can be used to get the keys and values in an association. For example, this uses the keys function to get a list of the keys in an association, and this uses the values function to get a list of the values in that association. The normal function turns an association into an ordinary list of rules, and there is a corresponding function called association that turns a list of rules into an association. In addition to the counts function, another function that returns an association is letter counts, which counts how many times distinct letters occur in a string. For example, this shows the letter counts function applied to the text of the Wikipedia article on computers. The fact that this result is an association and not a list of rules can be seen by noting the less than and vertical bar characters at the start of the association and the vertical bar and greater than character at the end. The key take function provides another way to pick out elements based on keys. For example, this shows key take picking out a key value pair from that association. The same value can be picked out by enclosing the key in square brackets as before. A difference with key take is that key take returns the result as an association that includes both the key and the value, while enclosing the key in square brackets returns just the value. Key take can also be used with a list of keys. For example, this gives an association that includes the keys A, B, and C. This counts how many times each letter in the result from alphabet occurs in that association. This makes a bar chart of that result. With the chart labels option set to automatic, the bar chart uses the keys as labels on the bars. The most common letter is the letter E. These and many other applications involve applying a function to values selected from an association. The basic idea is illustrated by this example, which shows a generic function f applied to values associated with the keys apples and oranges in an association. That calculation can also be set up using a pure function as in this input. This way of using a pure function avoids the need to enter the association more than once. When the keys are strings, as is very common in real applications, the Wolfram language has a special way to handle this way of using keys and slots in a pure function, which is to put the name of the key immediately after the number sign character without the double quote marks or the square brackets. This input, for example, also gives that same result. When this pure function is applied to the association, the slot $apples is replaced by the value associated with the key apples, and the slot $oranges is replaced by the value associated with the key oranges. As a more realistic example, this applies a pure function to an association returned by letter counts. The pure function in this example extracts the counts associated with the letter E and divides by the total counts of all letters to get the fraction of letters that are the letter E. Applying the n function gives the result as a decimal. That's the end of the examples for this section. To summarize, here is the programming vocabulary for this section. Operations that can be done with associations can generally also be done using lists or with lists of rules, but operations with associations are often much faster, especially for large associations, and associations also provide the useful feature of giving a natural way of labeling values with meaningful keys. More information about associations can be found by opening the Wolfram Language and System Documentation Center, searching for Associations, and selecting the guide page for Associations, which brings up this page, which includes links to more information about all of the functions in this section. Here are the exercises from the end of this section. As an example, consider exercise 34.2. Make a labeled bar chart of the number of times each of the digits 0 through 9 occurs in 2 to the 1000. 2 to the power 1000 is a large integer. The integer digits function turns that integer into a list of digits, and this uses the counts function to get an association giving the number of times each digit occurs in that list. This makes a bar chart using the bar chart function, with labels added by including the chart labels option set to automatic. This applies the key sort function before making the bar chart so that the bars are shown in numerical order.